Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Namhlanje ngiyafisa ukuba sibuke incwadi kaJobe. We are reflecting on the book of Job. Job chapter 1 from verses 1 to verse 12. It's a beautiful book, and I'm asking that you bring your Bibles. I'm asking that you bring your journals, so asebenzisa, and I'm asking as well that you possibly have something to write with, and you also have the highlighter that you can also use. Today we are looking at that beautiful book of Job. It's a very interesting book that we will look into. By the way, I did my thesis on this chapter from particularly from verse 6. That was my main thesis, looking at this book of Job. It's a wisdom literature, so it's a very book that is very close to my heart, and it's something very, very beautiful that I had looked into. One day I'll probably share with you what I had discovered out of this beautiful literature book that the author is giving us on Job. Okay, so let us go into it and dwell into it. Chapter 1, verse 1. There was a man in the land of Uz, whose name was Job. And that man was blameless and upright, one who feared God and turned away from evil. Bheka kwakukhona umuntu ezweni lase-Uz, ogama lakhe lalinguJobe. Lo muntu wayengenasici, elungile, emesaba uNkulunkulu, ebalekela okubi. One of the most beautiful attributes that the author tells us about this character. He was blameless before God. He was blameless and upright. He feared God and he turned away from evil. That's one of the most beautiful things that has been said about very few people in the scriptures. And for some reason, ngikhumbula uJesu mekhuluma noNathaniel, athi membona, athi nangu Israeli ongekho nkohliso olimini lakhe. Yafisa ngelinye ilanga mase abantwana bethu bekhuluma ngathi, abangani bethu bekhuluma ngathi, esisebenze nabo bekhuluma ngathi. Ngiyafisa ngelinye ilanga bafakazele iqiniso ngeimpilo zethu. Ngiyafisa nangelinye ilanga inkosi misisikhumbule sesilele kobandayo, abafikayo mabebuka ama-tombstones ethu, bathi here lies a man, a woman, a mother, a father, a wife, a husband, a brother, a sister, a child who feared God, was blameless before God and before us. Lana kulele iqhawekazi elimkhonze uNkulunkulu kwaze kwaba sekufeni. That's just a comment. Then verse 2, there were born to him 7 sons, 3 daughters. He possessed 7,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, 500 yoke of oxen, 500 female donkeys, and very many servants, so that this man was the greatest of all the people in the East. Now what fascinates me, he was beyond wealthy. He was just blessed with everything. He had everything in abundance. And yet that did not change him. He remained faithful to God. He turned away from evil. He was blameless before God and others. That says a lot about a character when they are blessed with everything. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ithandwa sami akuve kulula uma yonke into ihamba kahle uqhelelana noNkulunkulu. It's so easy just to live a life and forget about God, and forget about his blessings, and forget about the good things we could do to other people. And so you see that Job was blessed beyond what any other person could have imagined. And he was known to be the greatest in the land. Now, verse 4 becomes important. His sons used to go and hold a feast in the house of each other on his day. And they will send and invite their 3 sisters to eat and drink with them. And when the days of the feast had run their course, Job would send and consecrate them. He will rise early in the morning and offer burnt offerings according to the number of them. For Job said, "It may be that my children have sinned and cursed God in their hearts." Thus Job did continuously. Amadodana akhe ayivame ukuhamba enze idili endlini yaleyo naleyo ngosuku lwayo. Ayisethuma ebiza odadewabo abathathu ukuba badle baphuze nabo. Kwakuthi lapho seziphelile insuku zedili lawo, uJobe wayithuma avuke ayongcwelisa, avuke ekseni ayonikela ngomnikelo wokushiswa njengomumo wawo onke, ngokuba uJobe wayethi, "Mhlawumbe amadodana ami onile amthukile uNkulunkulu enhlizweni zawo." uJobe wayekwenza lokhu mihla yonke. Bengifuna mhlambe ukuqala kuleyo verse 4. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu amadodana namadodakazi kaJobe, they will rotate in celebrations. Bayojabula, bayijabulise, badle, baphuze, mhlambe babe nabangani, bazenzele noma yini, bayithokozise nanoma ingani. Kodwa kunale nkonzo uJobe ayenzayo ebengifisa ukuba mawuqala lo nyaka siyenze senjengabazali. Lethi izwi likaNkulunkulu kwakuthi masebeqedile ebese eyawusukuma uJobe avuke ahambe aye eNkulunkulu ayoshwelezela abantwana bakhe. Athi, "Inkosi, makukhona abakwenzile abakunule ngakho, ngizobacelela uxolo. Makukhona abakwenzile abajivaze igama lakho, ngizobacelela uxolo. Makukhona abangakwenzanga ebekumele kube isibopho sabo, kodwa they dropped the ball, ngizobacelela uxolo." I am fascinated by the role that Job has on his children. That he will allow them to live. He will allow them to have good time. He will allow them to celebrate. He will allow them to enjoy each other's company. They will eat, they will drink, they will do whatever. But as a man, a God-fearing man, every time they finished, he will go up to the Lord. He will offer a sacrifice. He will plead their cause. He will ask for forgiveness. He will ask if they had ever done anything wrong against God. Athi, "Nkosi iba nomusa kubona, Nkosi baxolele." I'm fascinated by that. And I can imagine us as parents. Yebo siyathetha and kwesinye isikhathi kufanele. Yebo siyaduba, yebo siyashaya, kwesinye isikhathi kufanele, kodwa lenkonzo yokuya uNkulunkulu ungayi ukuyobaceba kodwa uyobacelela uxolo. Ungayi ngolaka kodwa uye ngomusa. Ungayi ngenzondo nokucikeka kodwa uye ngothando. Uthi Nkosi banikwe yimini imvume. Nkosi bengifuna vele bajabule kodwa ekujabuleni kwabo uma bekonile ngiyabacelela. That's one of the most beautiful thing. You know, sometimes I listen to this, and as I hear my mom pray, and my mom prays for all of us. And obviously I listen when she prays for me as well. And it always warms my heart when she prays for us. Ethi Nkosi ngicela ubavikele, athi Nkosi lapho bengenzanga khona kahle, athi Nkosi ngicela ubaxolele, athi Nkosi basayingane, athi Nkosi basazama, athi Nkosi bayahluleka endleleni kodwa wena ungabashiyi, athi Nkosi ngiyabathanda, athi Nkosi ngicela ungabadedeli, athi Nkosi ungavuma omubi aphathe impilo zabo. Eyithandwa zami, ngiyafisa leyo nkonzo njengabazali. Ngiyafisa leyo nkonzo yokuthi asambeni siye uNkulunkulu siyokhulekela abantwana bethu. Hayi ngoba nakho besicasula, hayi ngoba nakho sibadinelwe, hayi ngoba nakho siyobaceba, hayi ngoba nakho sifuna uNkulunkulu abapanishe, kodwa sithi Nkosi, I love them so much. And I love you, and I don't ever want them to be separated from you. Athi Nkosi la bengenzanga khona kahle. Yabona, what fascinates me is that he did this every time. That every time they went to celebrate, he knew ukuthi okay, abantu abami bahlangene manje. He knew ukuthi abantu abami balaphana. And he says, after they've done this thing, he says, wayihamba ayobahlambulula. And that's very important to me. Wayihamba ayobahlambulula, wayihamba ayobacelela uxolo uNkulunkulu, wayihamba ayolungisa ubudlelwane babo noNkulunkulu. Athi Nkosi ngiyabazi, Nkosi ngiyabathanda, Nkosi bangabami, Nkosi basayingane. Uma kukhona la bengenzanga khona, mina njengomzali ngizobaxolisela. You know, we've seen this growing up. Umzali speaking to another mzali ethi ngiyabona ukuthi ubudlelwane abubuhle, ngizwile ukuthi osibanibani bebe lapho, ngiyezwa ukuthi ngathi akayiphathanga kahle, ngicela ukumxolisela. Hayi thandwa zami, yazi ngiyamfisa uNkulunkulu to give us the strength never to drop the ball, never to drop the ball when it comes to our children. Akona ukubatotosa, but ukuhlala enkonzweni yokuba umzali, ukuthi uma kukhona okubi abakwenzile, bantu bami asambeni ngiyonihlambulula. You know, ithandwa zami, it's very dear to me in my heart. I have this strong belief that there are blessings that are only reserved and restored in our parents. If you read Exodus chapter 20 and Deuteronomy chapter 5, the 10 Commandments, there is this one that is unique. Honor your mother and father, so that you may live well and long and productive in the land. Yazisa uyihlo nonyoko khona uyakuphila kahle isikhathi eside esinezibusiso ezweni. And so often we read this as an instruction to the child, and rightfully so. It's the child who must honor, but it is the parent that offers the blessing. Uyabona ungiyabonga womzali, whether being its biological or legal guardian, but ungiyabonga womzali becomes a blessing that breaks every chain. Becomes a blessing enisela ogwadule empilweni zabantwana bethu. Yabona khona inkinga abantwana bethu that they go through, and lezo inkinga beyingaxazululwa ngesibusiso somzali. Yabona uJobe lento ayenzayo is so fascinating, and I always admire and I always beg abazali to be hands-on empilweni zabantwana babo. Just be hands-on. Be present. Physically, emotionally, spiritually. Just be there. Ingakho mina ithandwa zami, I will always advise umzali ibana makhandlela abhalwe amagama abantwana bakho one by one. Namhlanje ngiyavuka ngikhansela usibanibani lesi sibani sakhe. Namhlanje ngikhansela osibanibani lezi ikhadi zabo, ukuthi inkosi, whatever they are going through, whatever they are experiencing, whatever they are struggling with, whatever abakwenzile, ngizobahlambulula, ngizobacelela umusa, ngizobakhulekela uNkulunkulu. Wethandwa zami, asiyene ezwini likaNkulunkulu. Uthi uHana isibeletho sakhe singakabusiswa, akhuphuke aye uNkulunkulu ayokhuleka, athi inkosi ake ufumbathise isibeletho sami ngomntwana. Nkosi ake ufihle ihlazo lami wesule izinyembezi ngomntwana. Asibaleke siye encwadini kaLukas lapho uElizabeth esekhulelwe, amazwi akhe awashoyo meqeda ukubona uMaria kanye nayo yonke imkhuleko nezibongo zikaMaria noZakaria, ushamazwi agcwela inhliziyo yami intokozo. Athi yenze njalo inkosi emhleni yayo, athi yafihla ihlazo lami emehlweni abantu, yesula izinyembezi zami. Enhlizweni yami kunale nkonzo evukayo ukuthi abantwana bethu, iningi lethu sabakhulekela bengakahlali nasesibelethweni. Iningi lethu sabakhulekela beseyibelethweni. Iningi lethu sabakhulekela siyoteta. Asingayeki manje, masikayeki ukulwa. Khona lo mhlabeleli obusisa inhliziyo yami athi, wenhliziyo yami mawuhlakaniphe, athi zikuhaqile izitha zakho, athi linda uthandaze, athi ungayeki ukulwa, athi cela ngeinsuku zonke, athi inkosi namandla. Kube khona ivesi elingithintayo elithi, ungalahli ikhali zakho ngoba ekufeni uzowuqeda umsebenzi. Habe ngifisa ithandwa zokumkhonza uThixo bengifisa ithandwa zami ukuba njengomzali yes angangicika umntwana, yes angangidina umntwana, yes angangikhulumisa umntwana, yes angaphuma ekhaya, yes angangabuya ekhaya, yes angasihlupha ekhaya, yes angaba ikona konke ngikuzondayo, kodwa ungalahli ikhali zakho, ungayilahli inkonzo yokubacelela isibusiso, ungayilahli inkonzo yokubakhulekela enkosini, ungayilahli inkonzo yokuthi noma bengenzanga kahle kodwa usuku nosuku bahlambulule uNkulunkulu nomusa. Yeyithandwa zami, kunenkonzo mina ewubusisayo umphefumulo wami. Uma umzali ezoncamela ukulamba kunokuba kulambe izingane zakhe, athi dlanini bantabami, athi mina vele sengidlile, maqedana umzali mabeqeda bonke ukudla umbone ngenela intshela, bambuza abanye abantwana, bari mom why wena udla intshela, bari baba why wena udla intshela, athi mntanami ngiyayithanda mina lento, eshe khuluma into engelona iqiniso, akusekho ukudla. Hayi thandwa zami, don't drop the ball. Ngiyanicela ithandwa zezulu, ngiyanicela ithandwa ezayithandwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi ungayeki, ungamdubi umntanakho, ungamdubi umuntu uNkulunkulu akakuthemba ngaye, ungamdubi uNkulunkulu umuntu akakhetha esixukwini wathi wena uzongizalela usibanibani. uNkulunkulu ke wakhetha esixukwini ukuthi wakhetheka kanjani, ukuthi wahlanganiswa nobani, ukuthi angisazwani nobaba wakhe, ukuthi angisazwani noma wakhe, kodwa ungamdubi umntanakho. Ungabi inhloso, ungabi ikhozi, ungabi yinto edala ukuba kube neziqalekiso nezibopho phekwe impilo yakhe. Mina uyangithinta uJobe namhlanje. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu every time. It never depended on his moods. Wayengabheki ukuthi bangondlile yini, wayengenandaba noma babemthukile yini, wayengenandaba noma bengamondlanga, wayengenandaba noma benza ichilo, kodwa wayethi inkosi ngizobaxolisela. Ithandwa zami, khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivusayo, khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu asibizela yona. Asike siyeke ukuyoceba abantwana bethu, asike siyeke ukukhuluma okubi. Angisho ukuthi asibone, angisho ukuthi asibaspoile, angisho ukuthi asiqamba amanga, kodwa uma ngiguqa ngedolo njengomzali, angini mase ngifika uNkulunkulu ngithi lapho bengenzanga khona kahle Nkosi ngiyabaxolisela. Akuyoxolisela abantwana abangaxolisanga kuwena, ake uyonxusela abantwana abakuthuke ngenhlamba, ake uyoxolisela abantwana abakufaka amacala, ake uyoxolisela abantwana abakuphathisa kwenja emzini wakho, ake uyoxolisela abantwana abakukhathe nomndeni, ake uyoxolisela abantwana abakukhathe nomphakathi, ake uyoxolisela abantwana abangasakwazi nalokuthi ubani. Uthi kodwa Nkosi ngizobaxolisela ngoba babantu wangipha bona. Uthi Nkosi ngiyabaxolisela ngoba inkonzo yami wanginika ukuba ngibathande. Nkosi ngiyabaxolisela ngoba ngelinye ilanga ngiyafisa ukuba bangaxabani nawe. Khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu ayenzayo ithandwa zami, inkonzo ukuba umzali. Kubukhuni, kunzima ukuba umzali, akulula ukuba umzali, kodwa uyangithinta uJobe ithandwa zami. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu njalo wayivuka ekuseni ayoxolisela abantwana babo uma beqeda ukwenza idili, ayoxolisela abantwana bakhe uma beqeda ukuyijabulisa, ayoxolisela abantwana bakhe, athi inkosi makhona la bekone khona, athi shwele maluju. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu ayochitha umhlatshelo, wayithatha umnikelo ayochitha umhlatshelo, athi inkosi nanku umhlatshele ngunika wena. Ngiyafisa ithandwa zami, ngiyafisa ngelinye ilanga sithathe lenkonzo ukuthi sizobonga uNkulunkulu ngabantwana, sizobonga uNkulunkulu ngabantwana bethu. Maqedane la bengenzanga khona kahle sibaxolisele, whether siyazi noma sazi, whether besikhona noma besingekho, singayifaki ibopho ukubona, kodwa siyobacelela umusa kaNkulunkulu. Asiqhubeke ithandwa zami, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu ku verse 5 esoyophela. Thus Job did this continually. Thus Job did this continually. Wenze njalo uJobe imihla yonke. Ngaphela amandla. Ungabalisi. Noma sebekuthuka, noma bengasakufuni, noma sebekulimaza, noma benzani, kodwa ungaphela amandla. Kodwa ungaphela amandla. Ngoba lenkonzo uNkulunkulu akunike yona ingeyakho. Ungaphela amandla. Ungashiya inkonzo uNkulunkulu akunike. Yabona ithandwa zami, mangithi uNkulunkulu wakonyula, mangithi uNkulunkulu wakhetha wena esixukwini, wathi nangu ozongizalela usibanibani, wathi nangu ozongizalela usibanibani, wathi nangu ozongilethela usibanibani emhlabeni. Hayi, uNkulunkulu akalenzi iphutha. God never makes a mistake and God is never wrong. Mina njengomzali ngiyasho ngithi mhlawumbe sengiyahluleka. Mina njengomzali ngiyasho ukuthi hayi mina ngiyegeza izandla la. Mina njengomzali ngiyasho ukuthi hayi mina ngiyaniyeka manje abantu abami. Kodwa hayi, ungamenzi njalo uNkulunkulu. Ungamenzi njalo uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu wayengaphuzile ngesikhathi ekhetha wena. uNkulunkulu wayengadidekile ngesikhathi ekhetha wena. Wayazi into ayiyenza uNkulunkulu, and namanje usayazi into ayiyenza uNkulunkulu. Ingakho ababhala kahle bathi unguye izolo namuhla nasemaphakadeni. He's the same yesterday, today and tomorrow. Wayazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngeke uhluleke. Ungavumi ukuhluleka. Ungavumi ukushiya izinto. Ungavumi impilo yomntwana wakho ngelinye ilanga ikwenga ikulahle ngecala. Ungavumi ukuba ngelinye ilanga ulahlwe icala, ngoba nakho ihlulile inkonzo yokuba umzali. Asemenze verse 6. Now there was a day when the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan also came among them. Beka-ke amadodana kaNkulunkulu ayivamile ukuba afike kuNkulunkulu phambi kwakhe uJehova. Beka-ke kwafika noSathane phakathi kwamadodana. uJehova wayesethi kuSathane, uvelaphi na? The Lord said to Satan, where are you coming from? Satan answered, from going on around the earth and from walking up and down. And the Lord said to Satan, have you considered my servant Job, that there is none like him on earth, blameless and upright man, who fears God and turns away from evil? Wayesethi uNkulunkulu kuSathane, inhliziyo yakho iqaphele yini inceku yami uJobe na? Inhliziyo yakho ibonile yini inceku yami uJobe na? Amehlakho ayibonile yini incekukazi yami na? Ngokuba akakho onjengaye emhlabeni, umuntu ongenasici nolungileyo, omesabayo uNkulunkulu, obalekela okubi. Yangithinta lenkonzo. Yazi ngithintwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufakaza kahle ngoJobe. Hey. Ngazuthini uNkulunkulu ngathi? Uma kuthi uyafakaza. Eyazi khona inkonzo ezenzayo kanti izulu liyabona. Khona izinto ezenzayo kanti uNkulunkulu uyabona. Khona izinto thina ezenza and we just say this is me just being normal. This is me just being me. Kanti uNkulunkulu uyabona. Khona izinto mina engiyitshela ukuthi hayi anginalutho, kanti uNkulunkulu uyabona. uNkulunkulu uyabona. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, amehlo akho ayibonile inceki yami. Amehlo akho ayibonile yini incekazi yami. Amehlo akho ambonile umntanami. Asho lapho mhlambe usemakhandleleni ushonelwe. Akuve kulula ukuthuka uNkulunkulu uma ushonelwe. Akuve kulula ukuthuka uNkulunkulu uma ulahlekelwe umsebenzi. Akuve kulula ukuthuka uNkulunkulu uma izinto ingahambi kahle. Akuve kulula ukuthuka uNkulunkulu uma izwe lihleka. Akuve kulula ukuthuka uNkulunkulu uma ulahlekelwe kona konke. Kodwa uthi uNkulunkulu namhlanje kuSathane uthi mfana wami uvelaphi? Mhlawumbe uSathane ubevakashela umuzi wasekhaya namhlanje. Mhlawumbe uSathane ubevakashela mina namhlanje. Mhlawumbe uSathane ubevakashela abantwana bami. Mhlawumbe ubevakashela umyeni wami. Mhlawumbe ubevakashela unkosikazi wami. Athi uNkulunkulu umbonile nosibani bani. Athi omunye Nkosi ngimbonile. Ngazuthini uNkulunkulu meseqhubeka. Kodwa kunale nkonzo engifuna ukuthi hayi thandwa zezulu, nangu uNkulunkulu ekhuluma inkonzo ejulile ukuthi kunendoda ezivakashela thina singazi. Did you understand what I'm saying? Ukuthi you have a visitor without us knowing. Ukuthi there's a visitor in the house. There's a visitor who's checking on us. There's a visitor who wants to collect whatever data so that they can stand before God and accuse us. By the way, that's what the name Satan means. The accuser. Hasatan, the one who stands and accuses us. Nango kwazi ukusimela phambi kwaNkulunkulu maqedana silahle ngecala. Suku nosuku Satan uma phambi kwezulu akhulume kabi ngathi. That's the word for the day. Usuku nosuku uSathane uma phambi kwezulu akhulume kabi ngathi. He stands in the presence of God and he accuses us daily. That's the word for today. He stands in the presence of God and he accuses us daily. Suku nosuku uma phambi kwezulu asilahle ngecala. Usuku nosuku khona umuntu omele ukuyosiceba, ukuyosilahla ngecala. Day after day he stands in the presence of God and he accuses us. Ngiyamsaba mina uNkulunkulu. Ngoba uthi uSathane esemile phambi kaNkulunkulu as he stands in the presence of God and accuses us. Guess who stands on our behalf? Guess who speaks on our behalf? Guess who defends us? Izulu. uNkulunkulu akekho njengaye emndenini wakhe. Akekho njengaye kubantu abaxakeke njengaye. Akekho njengaye ongithanda noma izimo, my God, zingavumi. Ongithanda noma izimo zingavumi. Ongithanda noma izinto zinzima. Ongithanda noma selahlekelwe ikona konke. Ongithanda noma sethukwe ngenhlamba. Ongithanda noma engesena lutho. Athi akekho kodwa njengaye. Here stands the accuser. Here stands an advocate. But they both stand phambi kobuso bukaNkulunkulu. They both stand phambi kwezulu. Athi omunye inkosi salusudela ngaye. Athi omunye inkosi salusuqeda ngaye. Athi omunye inkosi salusumkho. Athi omunye inkosi usuqedela yonke into ngoba vele useless. Lithi izulu no. Lithi angawa angahluleka. Kodwa ngiyalazi uthando lasendulo. Sho njalo bhala kahle encwadini yeSambulo. Athi ngiyalazi uthando obungithanda ngalo. Athi ngiyalazi uthando obungithanda ngalo. athi ngiyayazi inkonzo akayenza, athi ngiyakwazi ukuthembeka akakwenza, athi ngiyakwazi ukubekezela akaba nakho, athi ungamboni ngoba nakhe exakekile manje, athi ungamboni ngoba nakhe wile manje, kodwa ngiyamazi saclean. Hey thandwa zami, khona omunye umuntu ongasahluleli, noma kuthiwa umahluleli usefikile, noma kuthiwa lo osicebayo uNkulunkulu usefikile, osimangalelayo uNkulunkulu usefikile, kodwa ukhona othi cha, kulungile noma kuthiwa ukwenzile ukuthi, kodwa mina ngiyamazi ukuthi ukwenziswe yini. Yebo, noma kuthiwa ukwenzile ukuthi, noma ngathiwa iphunga lakhe linginukela kabi, kodwa mina ngiyamthanda ngoba ngike ngambona ngelinye ilanga ehamba ngomngcwele phambi kobuso bami. Thandwa zami, khona lenkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivusayo kuthina. Uke waba muhle kodwa kumina. Yebo, manje mhlawumbe usengihlehlele. Yebo, manje mhlawumbe usengithukile. Yebo, manje mhlawumbe usenza ukuthi, kodwa ngeke ngambone ehamba kahle phambi kwami. Kodwa ngeke ngakubona ukuzama kwakhe phambi kwami. Kodwa ngeke ngakubona ukulangazelela kwenhliziyo yakhe phambi kwami. Kodwa ngeke ngambona ehamba nabangcwele bami. Makuthiwa uNkulunkulu ufunga ngoqobo lwakhe, athi ngimbonile ethembeka phambi kwaNkulunkulu wami. Khona inkonzo engifuna ukudlula kuyona ukuthi mhlambe izinto ziyashaya, mhlambe izinto azambi kahle. Bengifuna ukukukhumbuza ukuthi sukhohliwe yini ukuthi khona umuntu okumangalela uNkulunkulu every day. Sewukhohliwe yini ukuthi there's someone who accuses you before God every day. Athobhala kahle, behold, Satan the devil is like a roaring lion, that is walking around prowling the earth looking for someone to destroy. Thandwa zami, khona umuntu ohamba efuna impilo yakho ngoba khona lento afuna ukuyilimaza. Khona umuntu ohamba ufuna amabibi akho ngoba khona lento afuna ukuyilimaza. Khona umuntu ohamba ayoceba phambi kaNkulunkulu, who collects the data so that they may destroy you. Kodwa uNkulunkulu athi, that's fine, I still love that person. That's fine, I still understand that person. That is fine. Yes, they may have harmed me, they may hurt me by this, but that does not mean I don't love them. uNkulunkulu, has your eyes noticed? Have you seen him? Have you considered him? Then Satan says something absolutely interesting. Satan answers the Lord and he says, does Job fear God for no reason? Are you sure yin? Have you not put a hedge around him and his house and all that he has on every side? You have blessed the work of his hands, and his possessions have increased in the land. Satan, he doesn't love you. He loves what you do for him. Khona inkonzo evuka enhlizweni yami. Nasenhluphekweni kumele simkhonze. Naso sizini kumele simkhonze. Noma sinendlala silambile kumele simkhonze. Noma umsebenzi sewungiphelela kumele simkhonze. Noma sebengiphonsa emphandweni weingonyama kumele simkhonze. Noma sebengiphuca isinkwa kumele simkhonze. Noma sebengifaka esithandweni somlilo kumele simkhonze. I don't love God because he has provided me with everything. I don't love God because he has given me everything. I love God even if he had not done that, I will still love him. Uthando lwami does not depend on his blessings. Uthando lwami does not depend on what I possess. Uthando lwami is a result of his love for me. I love him because he has loved me into existence. I love him because he has loved me into existence. Noma nginakho, noma ngingenakho, kodwa ngiyamthanda. Noma kukhona, noma kungekho, kodwa ngiyamthanda. Khona lenkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivuse enhlizweni yami. Khona lenkonzo uNkulunkulu ahlala nayo. Yabona kunabantu abafana noSathane abayitshela ukuthi simkhonza uNkulunkulu ngoba sihlala enkosini ngoba. No, I still love him. Abanye bazoze babuza ukuthi umthanda kanjani uNkulunkulu izimo mayibheda kanje, umthanda kanjani uNkulunkulu izinto mayingahlangani kanje, umthanda kanjani uNkulunkulu. Athi ngizomthanda naso season lami. Athi ngizomthanda naseyinhluphekweni zami. Athi ngizomthanda noma izinto nezimo zingenzeki, kodwa I will still love him. I will love him still. That's the word for the day. I will love him still. Ngizoqhubeka ngimthande. I will love him still, whether he provides or he doesn't, whether he takes this away or he keeps it, whether he takes everyone away from me or he blesses me with people. I will love him still. Ngizoqhubeka ngimthanda uNkulunkulu wami ngoba ngiyamazi ukuthi ubani. Ingakho uJob ethi ngiyamazi umhlengi wami. Ngiyamazi umhlengi wami. I will love him still. I will love him still. Uyakwazi ukusho lo mkhuleko nenyembezi. Uyakwazi ukusho lo mkhuleko uphethe letter of retrenchment. Uyakwazi ukusho lo mkhuleko uphethe disciplinary action against you. Uyakwazi ukusho lo mkhuleko izinto ibed. Uyakwazi ukusho lo mkhuleko ubuka abantwana bakho bengenayo imali yokuya e-university. Uyakwazi ukusho lo mkhuleko uqeda ukubuya ku-interview utshela ukuthi regret, we can't take you. Uthi I will love him still. Noma kunjalo, I will love him still. Noma bengithuka, I will love him still. Noma bengihleka, I will love him still. Noma sengiyini, I will love him still. Noma sengelutho, I will love him still. Noma sekonakele, I will love him still. Noma sengiluze everything, I will love him still. Even when I'm skin on bones, I will love him still. Even when the doctors have told me I am dying, I will love him still. Even when I sit phambi kobuso bami kunebhokisi likaMa noBaba, I will love him still. Even noma ngihleli ngigona umntanami oshonile, I will love him still. Even noma kuthiwa inhliziyo yami ayivumi, I will love him still. I will love him still. Noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani, angisoze ngahlukana naye. Sho njalo ucula kahle, athi angisoze ngahlukana nongithanda kangaka. Athi njalo sothandana naye, athi khona la, khona la, khona le. Ngomthanda kukuhle, ngomthanda kukubi. Ngomthanda nginotho, ngomthanda ngenalutho. Ngomthanda ngiyinhlekisa, ngomthanda ngibatshazwa, ngomthanda ngiphakanyiswa, ngomthanda ngisehlazweni. Athi angisoze ngahlukana naye, athi nongithanda kangaka. Khona umuntu omaphambi kaNkulunkulu athi inkosi kufanele osibanibani bakhonza abayeni babo babenzela yonke into, mina ngumfelokazi anginalutho. Athi inkosi kufanele osibanibani bakuthande abayeni babo babathengela imoto eziphambili, mina owami uyehluleka. Athi inkosi kumele osibanibani bakukhonze abantwana babo bayesebenza, abamnabo bahleli la endlini asinalutho. Athi inkosi osibanibani kumele bakukhonze bahola imali enkulu, mina nginalutho. Nkosi kumele osibanibani bakukhonze buka impilo zabo enjani besubuke yami. Khona abantu abanjalo, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mina uma umubi evakasha, hey ngoba lo mfana uyavakasha, ngoba lo mfana ethi uSathane uyanyonyoba ebesezonyenyezela inhliziyo yami nengqondo yami nendlebe yami, athi hayi mfana wami, athi hayi akufunakala wena umkhonzi uNkulunkulu, buka wena uhluke kanjani kosibanibani, athi uNkulunkulu uya-understand, athi vele noma ungamkhohlwa lo nkulunkulu wakho, athi vele noma ungamyeka lo nkulunkulu wakho, athi kanti wena uyohlupheka kuze kube nini, hawu kanti wena ngeke awumeleni ukuthi uthole ukuthi, kanti wena akumeleni ukuthi ubusiswe ngokuthi, kanti wena akumeleni ukuthi enganosibanibani banakho. Ngifuna ukuthi noma esenyenyeza uSathane, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mina I will love him still. Ngiyacela ngasuki yena, ngasuki mama usekuyonakala uthi angisoze ngahlukana nongithanda kangaka, angisoze ngahlukana nongithanda kangaka. USathane uyiqili, uSathane uyixoki, uSathane umqhathi, uSathane unamanga, ngoba uzofika khohlise mina maqedana yokhuluma kabi ngami ngoNkulunkulu. Ixoki lo mfana lelo, ixoki masana uphike noSathane uyixoki lamaxoki lelo. Uzothi sengikhohlise ngakho konke, esekhulume konke, ebese yagijima ayotshela uNkulunkulu athi ngitheni ngalo muntu wakho, buka ngitheni, buka behluleka manje, buka. Don't give him a gap, don't give him a gap. Uthi uSathane in verse 10, have you not put a hedge around him and his house, and have you not blessed him with everything? Verse 11, but stretch out your hand and touch all that he has, and he will curse you to your face. Sathane uthi uNkulunkulu, yelula isandla sakho umthinte, bese ususa konke ombusise ngakho, ubone ukuthi ngeke akuthuke yini. Yazi kuyavuka kumina kulabo abaxakekile, kulaba abangenalutho, ukuthi simile umzuzwana, kusayisikhathi nje seyinhlupheko, kusayisikhathi nje esibukeka siside, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi kusawumzuzwana, kusayiphase, kusayixesha lokuba omubi ame phambi kwezulu athi anike ngamnikeza ilutho usibanibani, anike nimncisha denakho usibanibani, ake nifake ixokozelo empilweni kasibanibani, ake nicreate chaos empilweni yakhe, ake nenze impilo yakhe ibe unmanageable, ake nimenze azondwa abantu, ake nimenze agincike nezimoto, ake nimenze angena phume ibhedlela, ake nimenze axabane nomndeni wonke, ake nimenze afunwe yibo bonke bafuna ukumbulala, ake nimenze azondwa abantu, ake nimenze afakwe amacala, ake nimenze agijime inkantolo. Kodwa have you noticed one thing? Abawutholanga umphefumulo wakho, bakuzame konke kodwa bawutholanga umphefumulo wakho. Hlezi ngitshela abantu ngithi mina ngumafavuke njengedwanga ngabani, mina ngukhwani lesikwa liyamila, ngeke singakwenza konke kodwa ungabaniki umphefumulo wakho. Khona lo mhlabeleli enguthandayo uthi ukhethu ukuthula dali ukuthula sithandwa sami, ukhethu ukuthula dali, ukuthula sithandwa sami. Sebekhulumile, sebenze konke, sebethi baqedile, kodwa bokhetha ukuthula. Ungasiphelezeli isitha sakho, ungasiphelezeli isitha sakho, ungamphelezeli umkhapheli wakho. Engani uyabona uyofuna ukuyokukhaphela, engani uyabona ufuna ukuyokulimaza, engani uyabona ufuna into ozoyisho, engani uyabona ufuna into ngawe. Ngomphelezeli, uyaphi? Uyaphi? Bayeke bahlale enkantolo, bayeke bahlale egcawini, bayeke bakhulume ngawe kuma-socials, bayeke bangibhulela amawindi bekuhleba, bayeke baphuza amatiye ngawe, bayeke bangene kuma-boardrooms ngawe. Kodwa wena besuthi khona into abangeke bayithole, keba uzuze umphefumulo wami, keba kuzuze okusenhlizweni yami, keba kuzuze okubekwe uNkulunkulu empilweni yami, keke bakutshontshe ukuthula enhlizweni yami. Thusathane namhlanje thi Nkosi yelula isandla sakho, athi umphuce yonke into. Engithinta uNkulunkulu, uthi uNkulunkulu kuSathane, behold, all that he has is in your hands, only against him do not stretch your hand out. So Satan went out from his presence. Ngumthinti yena, uthinta umphefumulo wakhe. Khona izinto abantu abangasoze bayithola, khona izinto abantu abangasoze banikezwa zona. Wena ubanikezelani pho? Ngoba nikeza ukuthula kwakho. Don't sell your peace. Ngoba nikeza ukuthula kwakho. Don't compromise your peace. That's your word for the day. Don't compromise your peace. Never compromise your peace. Never compromise your peace. Ngoba nikeza ukuthula kwakho. Ngoba nikezi. Lapho isitha singivukele endleleni, lapho umubi efuna impilo yami, lapho isitha sithi siqedile ngempilo yami, la sebehleli khona sebehlanganisa ama-files, la sebehleli khona sebeyobind i-evidence, la sebehleli khona sebeqede ama-investigations, la sebehleli khona sebeyiqede zonke izinto zabo, kodwa never give them your peace. Never compromise your peace. Anginendaba ukuthi sebekisiphi, anginendaba ukuthi sebekubhalephi, anginendaba ukuthi sebenzeni ngawe, kodwa ngoba nikeza ukuthula kwakho. Ngangizalwa isalukwazi mina, sasithi noma sekunjani athi ungakhali phambi kwesitha sakho, athi noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani ungabokhala phambi kwesitha sakho, athi boqhamuka inyembezi uyibona ukuthi igcwala amehlo bese uyahleka. Kuvuka kumina inkonzo eyenziwa ngelinye ilanga owesifazane, gijima owesifazane, uyagijima, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, umprofethi kaNkulunkulu ubona ukuthunquka intuthu, uyambuza ukuthi we Gehazi, uthi kodwa ubani lo muntu ogijima kangaka ngibona izintuli zisa ngapha athi awugijima uyombhethi kwenze njani athi mayifika uGehazi athi mama athi kwenze njani athi unjani umyeni wakho athi hayi ngimshiye ekhaya uyaphila athi unjani umntanakho hawu mama ngiyabona enhlizweni yami kwagebhuza inyembezi emehlweni athi konke kuhamba kahle. Never ever compromise your peace. Bazokufonela abanye bathi isibanibani right uthi konke kuhamba kahle. Yesibanibani ngizwa ukuthi ngithi nokuthi ngawe konke kuhamba kahle. Hayibo sibanibani bengifunde ephepheni kuthiwa konke kuhamba kahle. Hayibo sibanibani sibonele isecular la emsebenzini kuthiwa kunje konke kuhamba kahle. Hayibo sibanibani bengihleli nosibanibani wangixoxela ukuthi ngabe iqiniso lelo uthi mntakama konke kuhamba kahle. Lokho akushila ngikwazi konke kuhamba kahle. Oh my God. Ngelinye ilanga soke sikhulume ngale ntombi ekuthiwa uEsther eyoma phambi kwenkosi ithi inkosi ngani umphefumulo wakho udikibele ngwayi inhliziyo yakhe ibheke phansi. Ngelinye ilanga soke sikhulume ngoNehemaya ehleli phambi kwenkosi athi kungani inhliziyo yakhe idikibale kungani umphefumulo wakho unje kodwa namhlanje bengifuna ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle. Hey thandwa zezulu awukuthi konke kuhamba kahle wazi ukuthi nothing is going well. Anginamali ungibona nginje anginamali yokuthatha izingane zami ngiyise esikoleni. Ungibona nginje angilalanga ekhaya lami umyeni wami ungixoshile. Ungibona nginje ngifaka imakeup ababoni ngaphansi no blue eye. Ungibona nginje ngilale emotweni. Ungibona nginje nomuzi engihlala kuona angikhokheli ibond for the last 6 months. Ungibona nginje they want to take everything away from me. Ungibona nginje we are going through a divorce. Kodwa konke kuhamba kahle. In any case, no one has a right to know. You don't have a share in this stake. Khona abanye abantu abazokubuza imibuzo not because bazokusiza. Bayoxoxa ukuthi hey nimbona nje kade ngikhuluma naye. Khona bathi bekhuluma nawe beberecorda. Khona uthi ufona nabo ocingweni bakurekhode bakufake kwispeaker bathi manini athi ngizoyiconfirma mina lenkulumo vele mina ngimjwayele abekufonela uhlale nomuntu uthi hawu usibanibani obefunani ngempela and you realize ukuthi no bezoxoxa evidence and you realize nomuntu bezongirecorda you realize uthunyiwe. Hey thandwa zezulu mina ngifuna ukuthi nginina konke kuhamba kahle. Hlalani enkosini nazi ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.